What's up, Tim Sykes here with the lead trainer of Stocks to Trade, Tim Bowen. This is Trading with the Tims, and today's topic is all about brokers. What are your favorite brokers?
Again, I'm guessing most of the viewers are newer brokers or newer traders. So I'm going to start with, something for you guys. We recently at Stocks to Trade partnered with Tradier, which is a great broker for the new trader, because we've got this deal with Stocks to Trade. If you sign up with Stocks to Trade and trade through our platform, Tradier has unlimited trades for $15 a month. Now, most of you are probably going to be under the PDT, but keep in mind that means you're still making 3 trades a week, maybe more if you're going overnight.
3-day trades.
3-day trades a week, correct. And then maybe you're even overnighting on trades. So you might be making 12, 15, 20 trades a month. That really adds up in commissions. If you've got a small account with Tradier, with Stocks to Trade, you're paying $15 a month flat rate. I think they're the best broker for the new trader.
For me, I don't want to trade that much. Commissions are negligible, so
True.
I use E-Trade and Interactive Brokers.
Both great. Yep. Love Interactive Brokers.
Both big companies. I've really gotten kind of like safe and boring in my old age, in my 30s. You don't want to risk too much with your brokers. Like, brokers are necessary to make trades, but I would not have like a prop firm. I would not have some like sketchy offshore broker. There's so many different brokers with like different schemes. I just don't like it. I stick with multi-billion-dollar companies, because if and when the markets do crash, the smaller brokers, the prop firms, they go out of business. Like, you sign your life away basically when you sign up for these brokers. And I've been there when Oliver Velez, the lying scumbag that he is, his prop firm went out of business. One day I got like 12 cancellations from subscribers. I was like, what's going on? Like, I never get that many. Like, I do video lessons, I do pretty good alerts. And I messaged them. I was like, why are you guys all canceling? And it was because Oliver Velez's prop firm shut down. No explanation, literally overnight. These people lost $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. Some people got some of it back, some people got none of it. Very sketchy stuff. I stick with E-Trade and Interactive Brokers. Again, not because I'm working with them. Some people are like, oh, you're working with these brokers. These brokers actually hate me because I say don't trade as much. I say be a retired trader. E-Trade and Interactive Brokers, for me, they have good service, not great service. Good executions, not great. Interactive Brokers is better for short selling stocks, like very low price stocks under $2 a share. They're not perfect, but they're better than E-Trade. E-Trade for me is for shorting stocks between $2 and like $10 a share. If you're buying, it really doesn't matter. I mean, you can use like Fidelity, Schwab, Scott Trade.
And I think, one of the biggest things is, a lot of these, these brokers that Tim mentioned, a lot of them are, trying to help you kind of get around some of the rules. And I think, really...
not the brokers that I just mentioned.
No. Correct. Yes, well said.
I respect the rules.
You
don't want to bend the rules.
And that's my point. My point is...
You can't cheat your way to success.
Exactly. And if you can't get consistent trading, if you can't find your niche with a legit broker, the last thing you should be doing is pursuing some of these other gray areas.
There's just too much downside risk.
Yes,
like, you might get ahead a little bit. I mean, I tried offshore brokers. I tried specialized brokers to find more shares to short when I was heavily into shorting. I just didn't make that much, because you're trying such specialized things. Like, for me, a broker is just, okay, I have to use them.
And remember, they especially these day and age, short selling, they're charging crazy fees. They're paying borrow fees, locate fees. I mean, it's not as attractive as it seems.
I don't even short that much anymore because of that.
Yep.
Also, a newer broker, Robinhood, a lot of you guys bring them up because they don't charge any commissions. From what I hear, like, their market orders are terrible, their executions are terrible. You have to think, how does a broker make their money? If they're not charging commissions, they're making it other ways. So they're actually routing your order out to other firms and taking a little piece of the pie. Very sketchy, questionable stuff. I've heard horror stories galore with Robinhood. So for me, I want to pay small commissions because I'm with a big company. That's the price of doing business.
Yep.
And I just like sleeping at night. I like being safe.
Well, I've been there. So I've dabbled in trading cryptocurrencies for the last probably 5 years, but the moral of the story is twice I've been ripped off by crypto trading brokerages.
Yeah.
So two of them shut down on me, lost all my money both times. Well, actually one time they sent me a check for like $80 or something. But I've been there on the crypto side of things, and that happens in the stock world. Stick with the big names, stick with the tradiers, stick with the interactive brokers, stick with the E-Trades. If you get more consistent, if you need a better borrow, as you get more experience, then branch out. But at the beginning, please stick with the reputable
And if
brokers.
you have a ton of money, feel free
Yes.
to branch out. Like if you have $500,000, it doesn't hurt to open a different account with like $5,000,
Yep.
risk 1%. But most people watching this, they have $2,000, $3,000 to their name. Like, what do you want to do? You have to think about this. What can you do today, this week, this month, this year to put yourself in a good position in the future? Like trying to cheat rules, trying to skirt rules is
Very
not going to
well
be
said.
there.
That was the
right?
point I was
Like,
trying to get at. Yeah.
You need to find a process that's going to work for you in the long run. You need to find a broker that's going to be there for the long run. If something is hot right now and you're just not sure about it, it might disappear in like a year or two. It's just not worth the risk because it's not going to change your life, big time in the future. Too many people are trying to do anything they can to make $1,000 or $2,000. If you make money, that's fantastic, but there's ways to make money the wrong way. They teach you the wrong lessons. There's too much risk, and if you keep making the money the wrong way,
some of them
it'll blow up.
Some of them give you ridiculous amounts of leverage, which should be the last thing you
Correct.
should
So,
do.
like, what if you're using a sketchy broker? It's working,
and they're giving you 10 to 1 or 20 to 1.
Let's say it works 10 times or 20 times, and you're getting so confident, you keep betting bigger and bigger, and then you blow up. The whole key is not blowing up and staying in the game. The biggest money that you're going to make will be several years from now. So be safe. For me, I use big brokers, safe brokers, E-Trade, and interactive brokers. I don't work with either of them, and I don't get paid by either of them. I just use them. They don't necessarily like me, again, because I trade very little, and I'm very patient, which is how I think that you should be. But leave a comment below. Let us know if you think this is a good video, if you want a safe broker. And also, ask some questions in the comments below if you have any questions for us. No question is too new or dumb or naive. We'll answer anything. We all start somewhere. Let's get you wealthy over time using the right tools like stocks to trade and safe brokers that are not going to rip you off. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.